Hello folks, Waz here from B&B. What do we have today? We have this Porsche Macan GTS, a lovely bit of kit. Let me talk you through what we did. Okay, first things on these type of modern vehicles, or expensive new cars as they say, you have to add security. So we have added a Meta S5 Deadlock, which basically means there's an immobilizer, a tracker, all controlled via your app. So normally you have your key, you get into the car. Well, if this is not present, you will get a phone call saying the vehicle is being tampered with. So if this is present, the vehicle will start. Now, if they break into your home and steal both of this, the key and the tag, you have an app on your phone. You can actually send a disarm code or an arm code and immobilize the vehicle. So you've got triple protection. You've got a tracker, you've got an ID tag, and you've got your phone as a controller of the vehicle. Now, if you're going away on holiday or you're parking it somewhere and you may get pickpocketed or your home being broken into, send the vehicle a text. The vehicle will not start till you send the vehicle another text to disarm it all. So that side of it, we're pretty much covered. Secondly, we've added a Thinkware U1000. These are probably the best cameras on the market, front and rear. This is a 4K 64 gig card built in with police database on there for the cameras. So as you're driving along and you're doing sort of 35 in a 30, it happens. This will alert you and basically tell you to slow down. So brilliant bit of kit, okay? And then another thing we've added, if you know then you know, which is one of these devices. I'm not going to talk too much, but it'll basically tell you where the Vosa vans are, and if you're driving along, it'll alert you to just be a bit more cautious. So actual live Vosa van tracking, speed camera database, plus anybody crashing into you for scams or any damage or anyone actually damaging your vehicle. And then finally, Meta S5 tracker security. Personally, I think this is a lovely package we offer to modern vehicles. Brilliant bit of kit. If you're interested, get in touch with Waz, B&B Audioconcepts, 02920 707 275. Have a good weekend, folks. Speak to you all soon.